WUHU, Smith Grove, Bowling Green, USA, the all-new. All right, 107.1 Bowling Green's #1 station. For today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the Jackrabbit, 11:02 on a Saturday morning. We're bouncing through what's left of it, too.
The new WUHU 107.1.
Get it. This ain't no disco.
11:16 with the Jackrabbit on Bowling Green's #1 station. For today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the all-new
WUHU 107.1.
Saying that it's been a while on Bowling Green's #1 station. For today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the all-new WUHU 107.1. There it is. I couldn't hear myself for just a second. Here in the studio, we've got headphones, and I put them on my head, and I couldn't hear myself, and I was wondering what the deal was. And it was my headphones. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I know it bothered you to death, and you won't be sleeping tonight thinking about it. Who is working this morning? That many of you. Well, we make being at work less like work because of that WUHU workforce we got. Send your official application for membership to WUHU. Just put your name on company letterhead and fax it to us. 782-0767. I'll repeat it so you can write it down right now. 782-0767. You may win lunch for up to 5 people in your office from Mr. Caddy's or a bagel gift basket from Bagels and Bites, formerly Dooley's Bagel Contestant. Tell me, are there 5 people in the office right now? That sounds about right. The WUHU workforce exclusively from the all-new WUHU 107.1. A check of weather next. WUHU weekend weather for today. Sunny skies and mild, high of 57. Tonight clear, a low of 36. More of those sunny skies on Sunday, a high of 63. 50 right now at Midtown Plaza.
We make other radio stations nervous.
Bowling Green's #1 station for today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the all-new WUHU 107.1. Jackrabbit, how you doing today?
I am high on WUHU.
She rolls the window down.
The Romantics on Bowling Green's #1 station for today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the all-new WUHU 107.1. The Jackrabbit, good morning to you. 11:46, yes ma'am.
Hey, could you tell me what caller you have to be for the song of the day?
You actually have to be caller number 10 at 866-WUHU 107. The song of the day is yet to be played today. Aerosmith, Jaded. When you hear Aerosmith, Jaded, give us a call. Be caller 10, 866-WUHU 107. That's 866-984-8107. You'll win free food from Rallies just for listening to that song of the day from your friends, the all-new WUHU 107.1.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why.
Bowling Green's #1 station for today's hot hits and your all-time favorites, the all-new 107.1. Good morning. What's left of it? About 7 minutes till noon, 11:53. AJ is coming up at that time of the day, so stay tuned for him. A check of WUHU weather coming up in just a little bit. Want to remind you first, though, listen for your chance to win a $25 gift certificate from Tedesco's Pure Italian Food on the bypass. All you got to do is keep track of the WUHU Top 5 during the 5 o'clock drive-thru. Makes sense, huh? Weekdays at 5, that's what time it is with Max. If you're the first to identify all 5 correctly at the phone number, 1-866-WUHU 107, you'll win that $25 gift certificate from Tedesco's. It's that simple. It's all during the 5 o'clock drive-thru. Weekdays at 5 with Max on the all-new WUHU 107.1. Check the weather plus an extra long music set coming your way next.
Hi, my name is...